Did you know that combining eggs with certain foods could harm your brain health? It's true. While eggs are often praised as a superfood loaded with essential nutrients, the way you pair them with other foods can have significant impacts on your health. In fact, some combinations might even lead to serious issues like cancer and dementia. Today, we're going to uncover the foods you should never eat with eggs, as well as the best foods to pair with them to boost your health and even improve your vision. Let's jump right in and start with a surprising pairing you should avoid. Flour and eggs. Combining flour and eggs is a common practice in many beloved dishes, from pancakes and pastries to bread and noodles. However, while this combination might delight your taste buds, it can have serious implications for your health, particularly concerning brain health and the risk of dementia. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients, especially known for their high choline content. Choline is a vital nutrient that plays a significant role in maintaining healthy brain function. It enhances memory, concentration, and cognitive performance, making eggs a valuable addition to any diet. Additionally, choline helps reduce inflammation in the body, which is crucial for preventing chronic diseases such as cancer and dementia. On the other hand, flour, especially refined flour found in white bread and pastries, primarily consists of carbohydrates that quickly convert to sugar in the bloodstream. This rapid conversion causes blood sugar levels to spike, leading to the production of sugar toxins. These sugar toxins can cross the blood-brain barrier and cause oxidative stress, damaging brain cells and impairing cognitive function. When you consume flour and eggs together, it creates a conflict within your body. The choline in eggs strives to protect and nourish brain cells, while the sugar toxins from the flour work to break down this protective barrier. Over time, this internal battle can lead to an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation, in particular, is a known precursor to many serious health conditions, including cancer and dementia. For those who love their egg sandwiches or pastries, it's advisable to seek healthier alternatives. Whole wheat flour or other non-refined flours can significantly reduce the negative impacts on your health. Whole grains have a lower glycemic index, which means they cause a slower, more controlled release of sugar into the bloodstream, minimizing the production of harmful sugar toxins. 2. Soy milk and tofu. Combining eggs with soy milk or tofu might seem like a healthy and protein-rich choice, especially for those seeking nutritious breakfast options or weight loss meals. However, this combination can have unintended consequences that diminish the nutritional benefits of both foods, and could even pose risks to your health. Eggs are renowned for their high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. They are particularly rich in choline, which supports brain health, memory, and cognitive function. Eggs also provide significant amounts of vitamin D, B vitamins, and minerals like selenium and zinc, which are vital for overall health. Soy milk and tofu, derived from soybeans, are popular choices for those looking to incorporate plant-based proteins into their diet. Soy milk is often used as a dairy substitute, while tofu is a versatile ingredient in many dishes. Both soy products are rich in protein, calcium, and phytoestrogens, which have been linked to various health benefits, including reduced risks of heart disease and certain cancers. However, the combination of eggs with soy milk or tofu is problematic due to a specific component in soybeans called trypsin inhibitor. This compound interferes with the digestion and absorption of protein. When soy milk or tofu is consumed with eggs, the trypsin inhibitor binds with the protein in the eggs, rendering it less available for your body to absorb. This means that the high-quality protein and other nutrients in eggs are not fully utilized by your body, diminishing the potential health benefits. Furthermore, soy products contain compounds that can inhibit the absorption of certain minerals. For instance, the phytates present in soy can bind with minerals like calcium, iron, and zinc, preventing their full absorption. Since eggs are also a source of these minerals, consuming them with soy products can further reduce the availability of these essential nutrients. For those who enjoy eggs and soy products, it's better to consume them separately. If you find eggs hard to swallow on their own, pair them with water or milk instead of soy milk. This ensures that you reap the full nutritional benefits of both foods without any adverse interactions. 3. Apricots. Apricots, whether fresh or dried, are a delicious, nutritious fruit known for their sweet taste and health benefits. Rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants, apricots are a great addition to a balanced diet. They help improve eye health, boost immunity, and promote good digestion. However, when it comes to pairing apricots with eggs, there are significant reasons to avoid this combination. The primary issue with consuming apricots and eggs together lies in the presence of tannins in apricots. Tannins are phenolic compounds that give apricots their slightly astringent taste. When consumed alongside proteins, tannins can bind to these proteins, forming complexes that are difficult for the body to digest and absorb. This interaction can impair the digestive process, leading to symptoms such as bloating, indigestion, and in severe cases, gastroenteritis. Moreover, tannins can inhibit the activity of digestive enzymes that break down proteins in the stomach and intestines. This means that the valuable proteins in eggs may not be fully digested, reducing their nutritional benefit. The undigested protein can cause discomfort and even lead to more serious digestive issues over time. To avoid these negative effects, it's best to consume apricots and eggs separately. Enjoy apricots as a snack or dessert well before or after a meal that includes eggs. This allows your body to fully digest and absorb the nutrients from both foods without any adverse interactions. Now let's talk about the best combination with eggs. Number 1. Pumpkin. Pumpkin, a vibrant and nutritious vegetable, makes an excellent companion for eggs. This dynamic duo not only enhances the flavor of meals but also provides a host of health benefits, particularly for eye health and stress reduction. Pumpkins are rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants. When consumed with eggs, which are high in protein and contain essential nutrients like choline, the combination offers a synergistic effect. The protein in eggs aids in the absorption of the pumpkin's nutrients, making this pairing highly beneficial. One of the standout benefits of combining pumpkin with eggs is the positive impact on eye health. Pumpkins are high in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good vision, and when paired with the lutein and zeaxanthin found in eggs, it offers powerful protection against eye diseases such as macular degeneration and glaucoma. These antioxidants help filter harmful blue light and reduce the risk of chronic eye conditions, ensuring that your vision stays sharp. Additionally, the fiber in pumpkin, when combined with the protein in eggs, can help regulate digestion and stabilize blood sugar levels. This combination also activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes a sense of calm and reduces anxiety and tension. Eating pumpkin with eggs can therefore help alleviate stress and improve overall mental well-being. For a delicious and healthful meal, consider recipes like pumpkin egg rolls, pumpkin pancakes, or pumpkin egg soup. These dishes not only taste great but also maximize the nutritional benefits of both ingredients. 2. Cheese. Cheese, a delicious and versatile dairy product, pairs wonderfully with eggs to create a nutrient-rich meal that supports bone health, enhances flavor, and balances nutrition. Eggs are celebrated for their high-quality protein and essential nutrients such as choline, which is vital for brain health. However, they are relatively low in calcium. Cheese, on the other hand, is an excellent source of calcium, crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth. When combined, eggs and cheese complement each other perfectly, making up for each other's nutritional gaps. Moreover, cheese undergoes a fermentation process that reduces its protein content while enriching it with probiotics. These beneficial bacteria support gut health and improve digestion. The protein in cheese and eggs provides sustained energy and helps in muscle repair and growth, making this combination ideal for a hearty breakfast or post-workout meal. A popular way to enjoy this pairing is through dishes like omelets, frittatas, or scrambled eggs with melted cheese. These meals are not only tasty but also quick to prepare, making them a convenient option for busy mornings. 3. Apples. Apples, known for their crisp texture and sweet tart flavor, make an excellent complement to eggs, enhancing both taste and nutritional value. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients like choline and vitamins, but they lack significant amounts of vitamin C and dietary fiber. Apples, on the other hand, are rich in vitamin C and fiber, making them the perfect partner for eggs. The fiber in apples aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, while vitamin C boosts the immune system and enhances overall health. Eating apples with eggs can particularly benefit digestive health. The fiber in apples promotes bowel regularity and can ease any digestive discomfort that some people experience after eating eggs. Additionally, apples contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps reduce cholesterol levels and supports heart health. A simple and nutritious way to enjoy this pairing is by having sliced apples on the side with your scrambled eggs or adding diced apples to an egg salad. This combination not only tastes delightful but also ensures you receive a well-rounded mix of essential nutrients. How you cook your eggs is just as important as what you eat them with. Avoid eating raw eggs due to the risk of food poisoning. Frying eggs can destroy nutrients, so steaming or boiling is better. Soft-boiled eggs are preferable over hard-boiled ones, which can become rubbery. When frying, use oils rich in omega-3, like olive oil or flaxseed oil, to retain more nutrients. Thanks for watching, and until next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your loved ones. Stay healthy and happy.